Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how to add audio filters or filters to your mic so it sounds better. So let's get started. First we have our mic here. So we have our mic selected. If you go to audio, we have our mic selected here. This is my mic here. Okay. Let's go to this mic filters. You see here I have some effects: 3-band equalizer, noise gate, compressor, noise suppression, limiter, bass2, plugin. So we are going to remove all these filters. So guys, as you can see right now, when I'm not talking, you see this mic is moving a lot, right? It wasn't like this before I have deleted these filters. So let's go here and let's add filters. Okay, let's start by 3-band equalizer. This is going to change the tone of your voice. It's going to change how you sound. To show you in my main OBS studio filters, let's say I increase this to, let's say, to the max. The voice is now much different and it's so bad. So you increase these settings. So for me it's like 130. I've tried it and it's okay. The mids also give you different results. As you can hear right now, the voice is so deep or so bad, I don't know right now. So, or you can increase it like this. The same for the lows. Changing each one of these by little amount, a different sound. You can now change these settings and record and see how does it sound. If you don't like it, you can record one more. But to save all this effort, let's remove this for now. So right now what we need to do is go to settings and go to audio. We have our mic selected. We need to select from here advanced monitoring device. From here select your headset or your speakers or your phones. Let's say for example I want to listen from this. I'll select this one. Okay, go to this and click on advanced audio properties. Now we have our mic here. It's set to monitor off. You can make it on monitor only or monitor and output. Monitor off, I can't hear it from the monitoring device that we have selected. Monitor only, I am only going to be hearing it from here and you are not going to hear it in the output. Monitor and output, I'm going to hear it and you are also going to hear it. Let's say for example you have another source here, Discord, or let's say desktop audio. I have my friends talking to me in Discord and I don't want you to listen to them. So I'm going to change this one to monitor only. Now any videos that I play, only me will be able to hear it and you are not going to hear it at all if I select this to monitor only. Monitor and output if I want to listen to myself and you can also listen to it. So monitor off. Right now select in one of these, let's say monitor and output. Right now when I'm talking I can hear myself right now. If I disable it, I can't hear myself. And you can also see it in the desktop audio here. Desktop audio, when I make it monitor and output, you see there is audio coming here because it's output too. So we have it like this, and this is the delay we talked about before, just like the video, or this is it, the sync offset. You can add more volume here if you want to add some boost or something. I don't want it. Also the left and right balance, just leave all these the same. This might be different for you, add a delay if you want. Now you should go to the mic filters. And let's start by filters. So 3-band equalizer, we talked about it before. Increase the highs a little bit, decrease the lows, decrease the mids and increase the lows. Now let's talk about compressor. If you add compressor, decrease this ratio to let's say 3 or 4. Let's raise the attack to 1. Let's talk about the threshold. Right now this threshold means, you see this? Right now it's going from minus 60 to 0. Right now it's set to minus 18. Anything that is going to be on this parameter here to minus 18, let's say I set it to minus 30, minus 37 here. So right now if I decrease this a little bit, you see, let's put it to 50, almost 50, you see, doesn't go more than 50, only a little bit. So this is it. Right now, you need to make it on like minus 10 or minus 8, something like this. Right now, any sound that goes higher than this minus 8 is going to be compressed. This high voice will be compressed and will be on a lower volume. This is what compressor does. Any high voice that is going to hurt the ears in this red area, for example, is going to be compressed and being heard in this green or yellow part. So this is the idea of a compressor. We have expander. This is the opposite of compressor, but I don't want it. It may add some noise, some background noise, so we don't want it now. If you want to increase the level, so you can increase it like this. This is so much. As you can see here, it's going over red. Limiter. Okay, this limiter is a useful one. You need to make this in the yellow part. Do not make it on the red part. Right now, if I add a limiter, whatever I do, if I'm going to talk as loud as I can, it's not going to more than this level that I select here. Let's say minus 12. Minus 12 is the yellow part, which is safe. Whatever happens, if you talk much louder right now, I'm screaming a lot, it won't appear here. You might hear it in the recording, I'm sorry for that. But this is how it works. Noise gate. So how does noise gate works? If I remove this, you see here now it's working, it's moving here when I'm not talking. So let's see if I stop talking. It's moving a lot. This means there is noise in the background. This noise gate, once you apply it, it's going to remove a lot of noise. So this is the open threshold, there is open threshold and there is closed threshold. To apply this filter, you need to talk as quiet as you can. So let's say for example, right now I'm too quiet. You see, right now when I talk too quiet, it doesn't appear here because it's set to catch from minus 26. Minus 26 and any voice above that, any voice above this minus 26 will be recorded. Anything below it, minus 27, minus 28 will not be recorded at all. So this removes any background noise, any small noises. So let's say this for example. Talk as quiet as you can get. Right now, let's say for example, I'm tired and I'm going to talk so quietly, so quiet, so quiet. Right now it barely captures, so let's make it to minus 28 until it captures your voice at the lowest volume without capturing any noise in the background. You see here, when I stop, it's not moving at all. There's also same filter, noise suppression. You can change this amount until you find the noise disappears, but let's say make it on the automatic. If I stop now, you see barely anything, very small amount or no noise at all. So this is how noise suppression works, but this noise suppression affects the quality of voice, so I don't suggest enabling it. Just add the noise gate. Upward compressor, don't want that. VS2 plugins. If you have any VS2 plugins, like let's say for example Marvel GQ, you can download this, it's free. This is just like the equalizer, so you can apply multiple settings, multiple profiles. So right now I'm hearing myself. Once you are finished with this, go back to advanced audio properties, make this to monitor off or monitor only or whatever you want, as I've said before. Now let's talk about tracks. Output. Now as you can see here, we have multiple tracks. Audio tracks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can have multiple audio tracks. So let's say for example, I have a gameplay, I have my mic, I have the desktop audio, I have my friends. So guys, right now I have multiple stuff going here. Let's talk about how audio tracks work. Let's say for example, I want to enable 4 audio tracks. Output, recording, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, apply, okay. Let's go to advanced audio properties. Right now, you see this? Let's disable all these for now. Right now, do you see 4 sources? All of these sources are being recorded or streamed to this first track, which means we will have one track containing all these 5 sounds together. So if you open a video editor, all these voices mix it together and you can't separate them. So let's say for example you are playing and there is something very noisy that has overcome your voice and you can't hear yourself right now. So this will be a problem if you are opening multiple stuff and your voice is going to disappear. What we can do for this is adding a separate track for each one. So application audio capture, we want to make this on track number 2. We make this desktop audio on track number 3. And we make this mic on track number 4. We make this mic aux2 on track number 5. Now, each one of these is going to be recorded on one track and also being recorded on a separate track. I'm going to show you now in DaVinci Resolve. So let's say for example, I'm going to start recording and adding some noise. So let's play this and start recording. Now there are a lot of stuff going on. My voice, there's a lot of noise and some stuff. Stop recording. Take this one here. Change. Now guys, watch this. When I take this and put it in my timeline, you see how many audio tracks we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 audio tracks. These are the 4 that we have here. We have 4 audio sources, advanced audio properties. 1, 2, 3, 4. These first 4 are going to be recorded. This one has all of the 4 audio tracks, and this one is being recorded to track 2. Now each one of these tracks can be edited alone, so you can link clips, remove. Now this one contains all sounds. Me talking, the game, the video, everything. This has me talking, this has the game, this has a different thing. So this is the whole idea of making a separate audio tracks. You can adjust it alone and have separate audio tracks so you can edit videos as you want. Let's forget this for now. Why did we leave all these on track number 1? When you are streaming, you are going to be streaming this whole track. Output, you can only stream one track. You can't do this the same as I showed you in DaVinci Resolve. You can't do the same while you are streaming. You are going only to be streaming one track. So this track needs to have all your voice. Needs to have your mic, needs to have your gameplay, needs to have your video, needs everything in this audio tracks. This is why we select all of them to be sent to the first audio track, because it's the one that will be streamed. Okay? If you want to, for example, let's remove this application audio capture. You don't want this to be streamed. You just uncheck it, and now all these will be streamed except this one. Okay, this is the whole idea. I hope you understand it. To disable this, go back to settings, output, disable all these. Right now, if I record another video, start recording anything, just saying anything, okay, stop. This is the one. Let's go back to DaVinci Resolve, remove this. This is the last one I recorded. If I take it here, you see it's only one audio track, unlike this one, which has 5 audio tracks. I hope you understand it. So everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. See you in the next one.